Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 6. Internet, SNS chat. Did you see my post yesterday? Yeah, I saw it. It got a lot of views. I was surprised too. Have you uploaded videos lately? I am trying every day. Isn't editing exhausting? It really is. Isn't that thumbnail good? Thanks. Did you make it yourself? Yep, all by myself. Did you stream yesterday? For about 2 hours. Did many people join? More than I expected. Are your followers increasing lately? Little by little. Do you have any tips? Posting consistently. Isn't that video going viral? Kind of. Your notifications must be crazy. There were a lot. Do you read all the comments? As many as I can. Do you get mean comments? Sometimes. Don't you get tired of social media? Honestly, yes. You should take a break. I think so too. Are you using the new app? I tried it a bit. Is it easy to use? Not yet. I watched videos all night. Aren't you sleep deprived? I am so sleepy. That is rough. Do you get many DMs? A lot lately. Do you reply to all of them? That is hard. Did the algorithm change? I think so. Aren't your views dropping? A little bit. Do you know that meme? I see it everywhere. It is trending hard. Seriously. How many videos did you film today? About 3. You are working hard. Still not enough. Aren't you using your phone too much? I think so too. You should rest a bit. I will. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.